FDA is not authorizing booster for this vaccine at this time. Vaccine boosters against COVID-19 are quite arguable to date. This is because health experts do not think the general public needs more doses. However, they support the approach in those who failed to respond to a complete vaccine series. Recently, a U.S. agency revised the emergency use authorization of vaccine brands to combat the surge of new cases. On August 12, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration amended the EUA for Pfizer's and Moderna's COVID-19 vaccines. This allows the use of an extra dose in a certain population group, immunocompromised individuals. Within that group, the booster is only specified to solid organ transplant recipients or those who are diagnosed with conditions considered equivalents of immunocompromised status. Based on the US CDC data, only 2.7% of the US adult population are immunocompromised. Today's action allows doctors to boost immunity in certain immunocompromised individuals who need extra protection from COVID-19, said Acting FDA Commissioner Dr. Jane Woodcock. Besides the mentioned population group, the FDA advised close contacts of immunocompromised people to get vaccinated. Plus, immunocompromised individuals may discuss the use of monoclonal antibody therapies. These are optional to lower the risk of severe COVID-19 should they contract or be exposed to the coronavirus. The FDA already granted EUA to select monoclonal antibody therapies against COVID-19. If you noticed, one vaccine brand is missing on the list, the Janssen vaccine by Johnson & Johnson. The issue does not seem related to the technology used but its regimen. The Janssen vaccine was made for a single-shot series. The FDA wants to review first the vaccine safety and efficacy on a 2-dose regimen before making a decision. Naturally, the company is working on the data and is expected to release it later this month. Until then, those with immune deficiencies who got the Janssen vaccine could not proceed with a booster. According to the New York Times, Dr. Dan Baruch at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center, who worked with the Janssen vaccine, agreed with the FDA's move. But he said another approach could be attractive to doctors and patients, the use of a different vaccine type. With health experts and lawmakers arguing about the use of boosters, what stance should you be in? If you are qualified for a booster, remember that the strategy is a different risk-benefit calculation. Your healthcare provider must discuss with you the benefits of getting a dose and possible risks it may bring, like adverse events.